Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Noises from your refrigerator often indicate it needs maintenance. Buzzing sounds might mean the compressor needs cleaning, while rattling could be due to loose parts or an unbalanced fridge. Start by cleaning the compressor coils and ensuring the fridge is level. If the noise persists, check the fan and motor for wear and tear. Regular maintenance can prevent these issues and ensure your appliance runs smoothly.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.